Hi, I'm Vimal. I'm a research associate at the Future Interfaces Group at Carnegie Mellon University, where I'm advised by Chris Harrison and Mayank Goyal. This is actually my first in person WIST, and I'm super excited to be introducing myself to the community today. My research focuses on creating new ways for users to interact with the world using sensing and machine learning. I'm particularly interested in using sensors found in devices we already own, like phones and watches, to enable new capabilities like health sensing, life logging, and context aware interactions. One such work that I presented at UbiComp earlier this year was Samosa. Samosa is a system for sensing daily activities using motion and subsampled audio from a smartwatch in a privacy sensitive and low power manner. Catch me around the conference and I'd love to show you a demo. I'm also actively looking for PhD positions starting fall next year. If you're recruiting students or are interested in my research, I would love to chat with you. See you around the conference.